All right, now officially congratulations. You've done everything on the course. If you watched every video, I'm really proud of you. Guys, you've graduated from a really, really intensive course, and I know you've probably heard me talk enough and you're tired of listening to me talk and you're like, shut up already, I'm just ready to run my company. And that's exactly what I want you to do. You can always go back and reference these videos. Guys, I hope every single one of you have a great deal of success. If you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to me over email at Zach, Z-A-C-H, at digitalroofingcompany.com. That's Zach at digitalroofingcompany.com. I'm not always available for any phone calls or anything like that, but I will do my best to try to email you and answer any questions to help you. Obviously, I stay very busy with my company, and at the end of the day, this video series was simply, yes, we had to charge for it because it cost us to do it, but we made this video series so other people could have an easier way of getting into the industry at a much lower cost than what a lot of these other academies charge. I really hope all these videos were helpful. I know I talk a lot. Sometimes it's not as organized as I'd like it to be. When I do these videos, I don't have a whole set of bullet points. I just want to kind of tell you what I feel like from the heart and my experience. And I hope that you enjoyed this type of instructing instead of just PowerPoint and boring you to death that way. And I hope my stories were helpful and you guys can just miss out on some of the mistakes that we made and have a lot more joyous time as running your company, because I promise you that I've made a ton of mistakes, and this video series is mainly about all the things we've done wrong so we can help you to do it right. Now, there is a ton of follow-on training that you guys can do. We have a YouTube channel, if you haven't seen it already, at Digital Roofing Innovations. I've got this is at the beginning of 2022, and I've already got over 150 videos from everything on how to get the pitch of a roof, to the difference between a 3-tab shingle and an architectural shingle, to the difference between cedar shake and synthetic shake, to how to install natural cedar shake, to slate, to flat roofing, you name it, we've got YouTube videos on it. I highly, highly encourage you guys to subscribe to the channel and just watch and watch and watch and learn, because at the end of the day, we're not only to have a lot of information out there for homeowners and stuff like that, but we also have a lot of information for roofing contractors on how to help you run your business better after you're already running it. And then of course, a lot of product information that's out there, or how to do certain jobs. YouTube's a great, great tool for that. So I'm asking you guys to come to the channel and check it out more if you want more information. We also have a website at digitalroofingcompany.com. We have a blog section that we've got, again, a ton of roofing information out there. If you get any questions on what's the best roofing nail or how to install something, most likely it's going to be on the website. But I can't tell you how much I've enjoyed being your teacher and being your instructor. For me, this has been really fulfilling, because outside of training my own team and my own company, I haven't had an opportunity to really train a group of people since I was in the military. And this is just something I have a passion for. I enjoy having the opportunity to help other people. And if you see me at a roofing conference or you see me out and about somewhere, please introduce yourself. I'd love to meet you in person. And again, it's been a real treat for me to teach you. Well, I'm going to close it out the way I always do. Guys, I really appreciate it. And at Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.